Welcome to UGC NET and GATE Computer Science students. Here in today topic I will be discussing about another important problem solving here. Suppose consider array with data 4, 1, 3, 2, 16, 9, 10, 14, 8, 7, and suppose you want to construct a heap tree. Then they are keeping two question: what is the depth of such a heap tree for this data, and what is the right child of this max heap? Okay, so indirectly they are asking to construct a max heap, and I try to solve this problem. Previously I solved, and your answer here is nothing but depth is 3, and right child of this max heap is 10. Okay, answer must be option B. I'll be once again redraw the max heap, and you can understand what is the why this answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll be explaining. Okay, so these are the data I keep here, and first I try to place 4 here, and for that next data is 1, and since it is max heap, and the root value must be greater than this child value, so 1 is less than 4, no issue. Again next data is 3. Okay, I am placing here 3 less than 4, no issue. Again 2 is coming, I am placing here 2 must be less than this one, so now it is not, so why we are calling heapy process to reconstruct it as per max heap. So now this 2 must be go there, this 1 must come there. So after that what happen here is okay, once again we want to check this 2 with 4. Okay, now 2 is less than 4, no issue. Okay, so next data is nothing but 16 is coming, so which is greater than this 2. Immediately you want to place this 2 here, we shift to 16 here. Again this 16 again greater than this 4, so max heap not satisfying, so 16 must be here, 4 must be here. Okay, so now we placed okay, so no issue so far. And next one is 9, I want to keep here. Okay, so for this 9 what happen is 9 greater than 3, so we want to swap this 9 here, and 3 must come here. Okay, now after that 9 is less than 16, no issue. Okay, so once again 10 is coming, I am placing here. Now 10 is greater than this 9, immediately 10 must go there, 9 must come there. Okay, so now after that 14 coming, I am placing here, and now 14 is greater than 1, so 14 must come there, and 1 must come there. Okay, now 14 is again greater than this 4, now 14 must come there, 4 must come there. Okay, so now okay, this way we are keeping. After 14 we have 8 here. Okay, I am placing 8 here, now 4 is here. Okay, so now again we want to swap, 4 must come there, 8 must come there. Okay, so now what happen is next data is I hope this satisfying max heap. Next data is 7, I should place here. Now once placing 7 here, and here we have 2, so 2 is less than this 7, so 2 must come there, 7 must go there. Okay, so now this 7 is less than this 40, no issue. Okay, this is the final constructed max heap, so from which we want to find the solution, right? Depth is what? Depth is 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now totally 3 level there, so 3 is the answer. And then what is the right child of this max heap? Right child of this 16 is 10 here. Okay, so answer is 3 comma 10, and option is B. Okay, thank you for watching.